Morning, everyone. Sir, in the last class, we had a discussion about Python. Yeah. In object-oriented programming, abstract method, what is a abstract class and how to define abstract classes, abstract method and abstract class. So abstract classes object creation is not possible. V symbol. So next concept is interfaces in Python. Generally in the Java, there is a keyword is there, interface keyword. By using that, they have to define the interfaces. But in Python, there is no such a type of keyword. Most of the people, they are telling interfaces concept is not there in Python. But interface keyword is not there. But it is possible to define the interfaces in Python. How to define interface means here, three terminologies are there. One is concrete class versus abstract class versus interface. Abstract class, we know because in the last class Saturday, we discussed about the abstract class. If you don't know about implementation, partial implemented classes, at least one abstract method is there that is called as our abstract class. Abstract classes object creation is not possible. That is, we are telling in our last class. I think here new terminologies too are there. One is concrete class. Second one is interface. So what is this interface? What is the concrete class and what is abstract classes? Sir, for example, do you know at the time of SDLC is there, software development life cycle. To develop any software, there is one life cycle is there, that is SDLC, software development life cycle. In that, there are different phases are there, like requirements and analysis, design, coding, testing, release and maintenance. Difference are there. How to develop one software can be decided by this SDLC. In this, there are so many models are there, like waterfall model, prototype model, spiral model, V model, fish model, incremental model. Nowadays, everyone using Agile model. Sir, now my thing is, if you want to develop any software, first of all, requirements is mandatory. Based on client requirement, I have to develop the software. I have to give it to the client or customer. Such a type of requirements are nothing but what it is, interface. For example, here my requirement is, sir, I want to construct 10 floors of building. 10 floors of building I want to construct. That is my requirement. So it is in nothing but your what it is, interface. Requirements are nothing but a one interface. Sorry, done. I want to develop the 10 floors of building, one plan, everything is ready. My requirement is, I want to start same plan. Can I implement it in two places? Definitely. Any number of places you can implement. In one place, I can started work with Bangalore. I am given my engineer name is Bunny. Second one, my another place I selected Hyderabad itself only. My engineer name is Sunny. Same plan can be implemented by two people. One is Bunny started in Bangalore work. Sunny started work in the Hyderabad. So this is my requirement. My requirements are nothing but interface. Interface never talks about implementation, just it is given only specification only. Two people started the work. One person is the Bangalore, second person in Hyderabad. Okay, done. After going on, Bunny completed 9 floors. How many? 9 floors. What is my requirement? 10 floors of building. Because of in Bangalore, there are some heavy expenses like this. He completed only 9 floors. After that, he hands up. He stopped the work. But Sunny, very innocent girl, she completed all the 10 floors and hand over the building to me. Now, in this case, is it total requirements completed or partial implemented? Partially. My requirement 10 floors, but Bunny completed only 9 floors. This type of partial implemented is called as abstract class because of partially implemented. But Sunny completed total thing. My total requirements are completed and given. So this is called as a concrete class. This is nothing but full implemented classes. Asal interface never talks about implementation. No implementation. Only just given requirement specification. That is called as simple terminologies. Requirements are nothing but interface. That requirements can be implemented by child classes who completed total requirements. That is called as concrete class. Who completed 70%, 80%, 90%, that is called as partially implemented classes. Such a type of classes are called as what it is? Abstract classes. So in simple words, interface is nothing but no implementation. Abstract class is nothing but implemented, but partially implemented classes. Concrete classes are nothing but full implemented classes. That is nothing but concrete class, abstract class, and interface. Sir, one more simple example. Whenever you are attending in the counseling, our receptionists, they are given some brochure for you, course content. They are display some course content for you. This is the course content module. In this core Python is there, advanced Python is there, Django, full stack Python. Whenever you can go to the front office, they will use some roadmap. Course content is there. Simple, I'm telling, course content. Sir, in the course content, only they have to define syllabus only. Is it talking about any implementation? No, only course content they are given. No implementation, only details are available there. This course content is called as what it is? Interface. Same course, same content implemented by in Naresh Shetty, different people are there. I am teaching the Python and another faculties are there. Yes, different faculties are teaching, but content should be same only. I am teaching another faculty. Some another faculty is there. Satish Gupta, he is also teaching, and one more faculty is there. He is also teaching. The three people are there here. Course content is same, but the way of explanation, my explanation and other faculty's explanation is the different. Examples are different, but content should be same only. So course content never talks about implementation. Only syllabus they have to define. These three people are implemented the content. In these three people, who is the concrete? Who is the abstract? How to decide? In these three people, who is the abstract people? Who is the concrete people? End of the day, you will decide. How to decide? See the course content. Then in these three people who are completed total topic, total syllabus, that person is a concrete person. If any person is missing 10%, 5%, 2% subject, then he is called as abstract. Because of partial implemented, he is not completed total course. Like that, we have to decided who is the concrete and who is the abstract person. So maybe this person is not completed. So we have to tell as a partial implemented abstract. This person is also not completed abstract. This person is completed full syllabus concrete. Like that, end of the day, we will decide that not in the starting. Same like that. What is interface means? Interface is nothing but requirement specification, BRS, SRS. Client requirements is nothing but interface. This interface can be implemented by child classes. Those classes, if it is partially implemented, abstract class. Fully implemented, that is called as concrete class. That is about interface, abstract class, and concrete class. I will give example. First, make heading concrete class versus abstract class versus interface. If we don't know anything, if we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification, then we should go for interface. If we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification, then we should go for interface. If we are talking about implementation, but not completely, then we should go for abstract class. If we are talking about implementation, but not completely, then we should go for abstract class. That is nothing but partially implemented class. If we are talking about implementation completely and ready to provide service, then we should go for concrete class. So how to define interface in Python means we have to define a class purely with abstract methods. Such a type of class is nothing but interface. Only abstract methods. So directly interface keyword is not there. A class which contains only abstract methods. Such a type of class considered as a interface in Python. For example, take the test.py. Sir, in this one, I have a one class is there, college automation. Inside, what is the parent class? ABC. But this ABC is available in a module that is ABC module. Import star. Sir, in this one, three abstract methods I am declaring. How to declare abstract method by using the decorator. M1 pass. Another method is there, M2, no implementation pass. Another method is there, M3, no implementation pass. So a college automation contains three abstract methods. All three are no implementation. It is nothing but a one interface. Because in this class only abstract methods are there, no implementation. That's why it is called as a one interface. But who is implemented this M1, M2 means child class is the responsible. Suppose I want to take class A. What is our interface name? College automation. This is the parent. That is the child. So A is the child class. It is taken responsibility to implement these three methods. A class is there. Instead, I have implemented def. What is the method? M1 self. Now print M1 method implementation. Def M2 M2 method implementation. Sir, interface contains how many methods? Three. But A class implemented how many methods? Two. Total three methods implemented. Ante, is it partially implemented class or concrete class? Partially implemented class. If I try to create object, is it possible? No. Python will give left and right. Because of it is a abstract class. Run the program. You will get the clarity. Go to D drive, classes, py, test.py. Directly they are telling you can check it. Babu, it is a one abstract class. The reason is interface contain three methods, but a class implemented how many? Two methods only. That is called as partially implemented a class. Such a type of classes are called as abstract classes. Sir, abstract classes object is not possible. So that's why I'm given some meaningful name ABS class. It because it is a abstract class. Name any name you can give, no problem. Now also, Babu cannot instantiate abstract class ABS class. I think one more person came into the picture. That person name is concrete class. Inside, sir, if I'm taking this college automation, then compulsory I have to implement it how many methods? All the three. Because of concrete class means compulsory they have to implemented three methods. M1, M2, M3. Now interface contain three methods. Is it implemented all the three methods or not? Can I create object for this class? Happily you can create object. We are not getting any error. Concrete class with parenthesis. Now object got created. If I run the program, chudande, no error. Because of it is a concrete class. All methods are implemented there. If it is a partial implemented class, abstract classes object creation is not possible. Aithe, here two methods are there. Again, you are implementing all the three methods. For example, previous example I'm telling now, 10 floors of building is my requirement. One person completed 9 floors. Some another person came. He will continue from the 9th floor to 10th floor, or again he can start from starting onwards. 9th to 10th floor, last floor he will construct, then it is completed. Mari, ikkada there is no code reusability. Why are implemented again two methods? Mari, what to do? I don't want to implement those two nonsense. Simple, you have to inherit our ABS class. Then automatically what happened? This is the parent, this is the child. M1, M2 automatically implemented. Only your responsibility is implement M3. By using C, you can call M1, you can call M2, you can call M3. Now check this. M1, M2, M3. So in this example, all the three came, check this. First one is interface. Because of only abstract class methods are there. Second one is abstract class because it is implemented only two methods. Third one concrete, only one is there. How means already I'm inherited abstract class. This is example for interface, abstract class and concrete class. ఏంటి ఏమైపోయావు రావట్లా ముంబై వెళ్ళావా ముంబై class contain pure abstract method that is nothing but interface. If an abstract class contains only abstract methods, such a type of abstract class is considered as interface. If any abstract class which can contains only abstract methods, that is nothing but interface. Circulate. In the completed? No. Next example is, sir, see this one from ABC import star class. This time I have to declare database interface. Inside parent class is ABC. Here I have two methods are there. Abstract method def connect pass. Another method is there disconnect. This is a interface because here two methods are there, two are abstract methods are available. Tomorrow, one person claim the person name is Oracle. Oracle wants to implemented this interface methods. Def first method, what it is? Connect. Self, it is connecting to Oracle database. Connecting to Oracle database. Okay, done. Next, disconnect method. Disconnecting to Oracle. Sir, now Oracle is a concrete class or abstract class? Concrete class, because interface contain two methods. Two methods are implemented, concrete class. Tomorrow another person came. He is also implementing the, because any number of child classes can implement interface methods, their wish. MySQL person came. He is also implemented. MySQL implemented. So here nothing, previous example, maximum both are same only. Database interface, two methods. These two classes implemented. Okay, fine. So if I want to create object for Oracle, object created, O dot, what is the method? Connect. O dot disconnect. Automatically it is connecting to Oracle, disconnecting to the Oracle database. If I am creating object to the MySQL, it is connected to MySQL, disconnecting to the MySQL database. In this program, any explanation is required? Not required. Simple program only. Suppose I have 2 classes are there. Tomorrow 10 child classes are there. Dynamically, I want to send the data not like this. Ante from the keyboard, I'm asking which database you want to connect. From the keyboard means input is the function. Enter database name. Enter database name. Stored into variable database name variable. Ante chonde, it is asking from the keyboard, Babu, which database you want to connect? Oracle. No, I want to connect MySQL. No, tomorrow any another is there, MongoDB. Like that, any database I can enter from the runtime. So if I want to give Oracle, I'm not writing anything, just it is accepted name Oracle. It is stored into D name. Mare, how to create object to that one? Can I create object D name with the parenthesis? Can I give D dot connect, D dot. Is it okay? Yes or no? I'm asking database dynamically. Any database you can enter. That is your wish. Oracle, MySQL. The value can be stored into D name with parentheses, object dot created. I'm calling connect and disconnect. Is it valid? Check this. Once I'm entering this, asking database, I'm entering Oracle, stored into D name. Once I click on enter button, Python will give left and right. Sorry, boss. Invalid statement line number 21. Because what is the type of D name? String. String with parenthesis and meaning, is it object creation? No. If it is a class name, parenthesis means object creation. But D name, the default type is str. Str object is not callable. What to do? How to create object? Whenever I'm passing data dynamically. Adi problem ikkada. Here everybody knows about that. The type of D name. I don't want run. If you run this, it will get error. Okay, na? It also comment. Okay, done. One more parenthesis is missing. Now, Oracle. Search only. What is the type? str. Str with parenthesis, no meaning. Convert this str to the class name. How to convert this means Python is provided one function, globals. Sir, what is the function? Global. Sir, globals. Somewhere else we discuss about global. That is a keyword. Globals with a parenthesis, nothing but function. If anywhere parenthesis there means we are calling that function. Convert that D name stored into one variable. It is a class name. Now, you can check it. Type of class name. First D name type is string. After that, I'm converted it to ABC. Module name ABC meta, one class. So string should be converted to the class. Once it is there, happily you can create object to this one. Now remove this. C equal to class name with parentheses. Now you can call C kada C. Now happily, whatever database you are entering, connecting to Oracle, connecting to disconnecting. Suppose tomorrow I am asking MySQL, it is connecting to the MySQL. So how to pass values from the dynamically keyboard? This is the way. Here, what is the function? Globals is the function which is responsible converted your string to the corresponding class type. This is the way how to take in dynamic data from the keyboard. Mm. Mm. Where? Where we will publish it? No, 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 no. Here, main thing is once total project is completed in the Django, I will explain how to deploy the total project. There are different servers are there. Cloud is there, AWS cloud is there. నేనైతే పైథాన్లో pythonanywhere.com is there. అది ఫ్రీ. In that I will upload the total course. అంటే there are three technologies are there. Version control system. After that Git, GitHub, this one. By using those three, we have to deploy the complete code. అది డిజంగలో వస్తుంది. Django. globals function. The inbuilt function globals, globals, globals of, we can pass one str, then it should be converts the string str into class name and returns and returns a class name. That is the advantage of globals function. Raiva, ఏమి చెప్తానుండు. Sir, for example, first example, see this. Directly, I created object calling. Second example, dynamic input I am taken by using the input function. My third example, you know already file handling concept, how to read the data from the text file. I have a one text file is there in the D Mahesh classes. The file name, ఏంటి మన file name? npg config అనుకుంటా. config.txt. Open this one, config. Sir, in the there is one file is there. The file name is config.txt file. The file name. What is the file name? Config.txt. In this, some class name I can provide it there. HP printer, or else I want to go with something Epson printer name I can provide it there. I want to read the data from text file, you know already file handling. Open the file. By using read mode, you have to read the data. From this, you have to read and connect it to the corresponding printer. And now my example is how to reading the class name from the file, not dynamically. Text file is there. From there, I want to read the data. So here my file name is config.txt is the file name. In this, Epson name is there. In test.py, I have to read that connected to that one. Okay. Now take the class from module name, import star class. The class name is printer. What is the parent class? ABC. Now take abstract method, abst abstract method, def print it. Inside self comma one argument I can pass. Next, at the rate abstract method decorator, def disconnect. And I connected and disconnected. Printing something text and this one. Okay, done. Now class Epson, inside the parent class is printer class. Def, what is the method? Print it. Inside self comma one argument I am passing. Print printing from Epson printer. What we are printing, print the text. Next, def con disconnect cell print printing completed on Epson printer. So here also any explanation is not required. Take another class, child class. That class is HP printer. Same first one, second one, third one, all are same only. Now done. This is one interface. This is the first class. This is the second class. Both are concrete classes only. But I want to take the data from file. How to open file? With to open. What is the file name? Config.txt, comma, which mode? R mode. Reference as F. The printer name. How to read F dot read line. So now printer name came stored into the P name. What is the type of P name? The type string, because read line return type is string. Adigondi. String object creation not possible. Either what to do? Using globals, what can I pass? Printer name. Then it is converted to the one class name. Once class name is there, create object. C equal to class name. C dot, what is the message? Print it. It is asking one argument. This data has to print. After that, C dot, what is the method? Disconnect. So in your file here, what is available? Epson is there. Now run the program. Printing from Epson printer. This data has to print. Printing completed on Epson printer. For example, in that file, change the content. Remove this. I want to connect it to HP printer. Now run this. This data is from HP printer connected and closing. So like that, from the file also, you have to read the data. So first, normally, how to create classes, these things. This example for reading data, sorry, reading class name from the file. Tomorrow I will tell that pending topics. There are two topics pending is there, no? Types of exceptions and pickling and unpickling. And today Mahesh Ralada, Mahesh So that is the interface concept in the Python. Next, I want to print this hollow diamond shape because in the last two classes, first I display how to display stars like this. Next V shape. Those two programs we have to combine. But I want to display stars like this hollow diamond shape. So in the fourth part, how to define public, private, protected, and difference between STR and REPR. Two topics are there. Tomorrow I will complete it. Object-oriented program is done. And you have only three chapters are there. Multi-threading, regular expressions, PDBC, Python database connectivities. By using Python, how to connect it to the databases. So that hollow diamond shape symbol, input, enter n value, stored into variable n, convert into integer type because it is a string. Sir, for I in range of n times it is running first spaces. Already I explained this one. Spaces I can repeat n minus I minus 1 times. After that I can go with star, comma, same line, end attribute. Once it is done, one, two, three, four. Came. Now right side. In the zero position, don't want. Next onwards, I want to continue. So if condition you can give, if I not equal to 0, then I'm given some expression. How many spaces you can require? 2 star I minus 1 spaces plus concatenation with star. Continue. This is the top shape. Came? Yes. ఇప్పుడు bottom shape ki Saturday program only. Take one more for loop. For I in range of n minus 1 times I have to run. Now print. I have to print spaces. Sadi were telling now one equation. 2 star n minus 2 star I minus 5, 2, 5, 10, 3 kada minus 3. Concatenation with star. కాదండి ఫస్ట్ ఈ షేప్ రావాలి కదా ఇది కాదు రాంగ్ because if I want to print this shape means I value 1 2 3 spaces I plus 1 space is required. Print first spaces star of I plus 1 spaces concatenation with star comma end attribute. Go with print. Came. Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి again you have to print this one. Okay, done. If I not equal to minus 2 print of spaces star of 2 star n minus 2 star I minus 3 plus go with the star symbol and value 5 minus 2. రాలా, ఈ షేప్ పోయింది. ఇదిగోండి, దిస్ షేప్ రాంగ్, ఇది పోయింది. మిగిలినంత బాగానే వచ్చింది కానీ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. కొంచెం లోపలికి జరగాలి అది. ఎక్కడ? అది లోపలికి జరగాలి షేప్, కొంచెం రాంగ్ వచ్చింది. ఎన్ వాల్యూ 5. ఆహా, అది పక్కకు జరిగింది. బౌ, అసలుకే పోయింది అది. ఏంటి ఈక్వేషన్? 2 × 5, 1 minute. 10, 10 - I value 0, 0 - 3, 10 - 3, 7 spaces. ఈ షేప్ ఎక్కడో రాంగ్ కొడుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ స్పేస్ స్టార్, ఇక్కడ స్పేసెస్ రావాలి, ఇది స్పేస్ ఎక్స్ట్రా పడింది, ఎక్స్ట్రా జరిగిపోయింది పక్కకి. ఓకే, ఇది లోపలికి జరగాలంటే 5, 10, I value 0, 10 - 0 -3. అది ఎక్స్ట్రా జరిగిపోయింది, స్పేస్ పక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది షేప్. N - 2 కరెక్టా? 5, 5 - 2, 3. Third row it will be started. N - 2. కరెక్ట్ వచ్చిందా? కరెక్టేనా? ముందు షేప్ చూడండి, వావు కాదు. ఆ? కాదు, ఆగండి, అసలు ఎందుకు పోతుంది అది? దీన్ని రన్ చేద్దాం. కరెక్టే కదా, బాగానే వస్తుంది కదా సపరేట్గా అయితే. ఇది వస్తుంది, బాగానే ఉంది. ఇది బాగానే ఉంది. కరెక్టే కదా. కరెక్ట్. ద షేప్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. కరెక్టలే, బాగానే ఉంది. సార్, దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టోరీ. One, 4 times.